A high-profile and complicated surrogacy fight continues this morning in Dallas.
And it involves a California couple, their Alaskan surrogate, and now a newborn baby named Gabriel. So the intended parents wanted an abortion. This is after learning that he had a serious heart defect before he was born. But the surrogate mom refuses and actually fled to Texas for protection. And Lacey Beasley joins us in Dallas this morning with more on this.
Yeah, Lacey, we talked with the surrogate's attorney, and he is now saying she is fighting to become the legal parent.
That's right. Good morning, Carmen and Madison. This is a case that's really the first of its kind. The biological parents wanted an abortion, while the surrogate, McKenna West, she refused. Now, she came to Dallas and gave birth this week, and baby Gabriel is receiving appropriate care. We're hearing that from her attorney. But the question now is what happens next?
The other side is prohibited from taking the child out of Texas. In the meantime, we are working on challenging those orders of parentage because we think that Texas law makes a woman who gives birth a child the mother of the child, and the California judgment that has been entered is unlawful, and we're taking that through the California appellate courts.
Now, according to a California court order, it is the couple in California, that's the biological parents, who have the ultimate control over the child, except that the state of Texas has an order in place that doctors here are required to give Gabriel life-saving care, and the biological parents cannot remove the newborn from the state. West is now going through the courts in hopes of becoming Gabriel's legal mother. Her attorney says that she has not been allowed to hold the baby or be in contact with him because of that court order in California. West's attorney also says West does not believe the biological parents are fit to keep baby Gabriel in their care, given they wanted to terminate the pregnancy.
It was scary to think that something might be wrong and that I may be the one that's not able to make a decision about the treatment.
Baby Gabriel's got a long road ahead of him. I mean, there's a good prognosis for hypoplastic left heart syndrome, and he's at a facility that has a 100% success rate in giving the first surgery. But there's a series of several surgeries that have to happen. And McKenna believes that she is the mother of this child, as Texas law requires and provides.
Now, at last word, Gabriel is receiving appropriate care, and West is recovering well after giving birth. Carmen, Madison.